Alrighty, good evening, everyone. Welcome to the severe weather's coverage. I am just coming on right now, just a few minutes ago, just getting everything ready. So right now we have scatter rains that is just popping in our area, and so far, 15 minutes ago, we have our first lightning strike that just occurred from about 15 miles from the location. So there was our first lightning strike that has been occurred. So we have now have so if you want to look at that lightning strike, so this is what it looks like right now. Um, so if I can find it, let me. No, that's not it. Here we go. Oh, sorry. So that was our first lightning strike. So it's right here. If I can find it, if I can remember where it was, but so about in that range, that was that right here, that 25 miles of that lightning that has just occurred. And maybe that was 15 minutes ago. So let's get on with it. What's happening? So we've been getting some scatter rains that is just popping out. We have some strong um, storms on the east, so there are non severe. We do have this flood watch that is get ready is expired about 8 hours and 9 minutes. We have this weather statement that is just occurred. This is a appears to be a strong thunderstorm. So here's some more of the. So this is the Norman or Oklahoma City Doppler radar that I'm picking up. So these are like strong thunderstorms, but I want to get in what is going on right now. So we are in a slight risk of severe weather, and then let's go down to the strong winds. So we have some threat of strong winds, and then that goes for Tulsa and all the way down to Norman. So this is the strong winds. So Missouri's included this. Illinois, Indiana, parts of chunk of Michigan is in it. Uh, Wichita Falls is in it. Parts of Texas are are in it. So just west, a little west of Dallas. So that's gonna be so that's interesting right here. I'm not sure if that's included. Okay, so parts of just a little west of Dallas are in it. So we do have these storms right here. So I want to go back. I want to go back and look at that the slight risk. So Dallas is in the migrational parts of migrational. Parts of Texas are in a slight risk. Amy's in the migrational. Okakant is on the edge of the slight risk. He is also under a slight risk. So let's go look at the. Let's go back and look at the large hail that we were potentially getting. So this is the main threat of hail. We're talking about golf ball size hail is really significant. We are included of this, so that is our threat right here. That's also going for towards. That also goes for Oklahoma City, Norman, Moore are in a threat of large hail, including parts of Texas. So that's, and then let's get into our big event. Let's talk about tornadoes. So tornadoes, we are like in a very close, slight risk of having a tornado, but the main threat is hail. But I could be wrong right here. But parts of Broken Arrow are including of it. Hayden is also including having a big chance of having it. We're in a low, barely in a low chance of having a tornado. So it's considered isolated tornado. So it got up to 76 degrees. The high is 66, and the water pressure is going up, and the humidity is 64%. That could always change. So if we look at the barometer pressure, let's go to the barometer pressure real quick and see what I'm talking about. So this is right now at 66 degrees. See, it only got up to 76. The wind, I don't know about the wind. I don't know if it's been kind of a little bit, it died down a little bit. Let's go look at it. So this is what it looks like. Let's see. It was very windy at first. If you can look at the chart, look how it has died down a little bit compared to earlier this morning, up till 4 o'clock, and that's when it started to die down. And let's go back to the humidity. So there's our humidity right here, 64%. And like I said, we have our first lightning strike that just happened 21 minutes ago, about 14 miles out from our location. So there's not a lot going on for right now. So let's go back and I want to look at this first. And so this is what it looks like right now. It got up to 79. It did not get up to 79. It only got up to 76 degrees. So 3 degrees difference. And then see, it's Sunday. So Saturday's supposed to be 62, low 57, and Sunday's supposed to be, this is Easter, 67, low 45. Very likely not having a tornado, but thunderstorms there are moving out in the afternoon. And then Monday, it's supposed to be 78 and high 52. And then Tuesday going out to 81 and 57. And then we're coming back with a chance of thunderstorms, and we were tracking another system that could be heading our way. That being said, let's check out what's going to be look like on the Weather Underground. So this is what it looks like right now. The heavy thunderstorms are expected to move in tonight in about an hour or so. So we get, in the meantime, take the time while you get ready for try to cover things up. Let your animals out. This is the appropriate time to do it. Make sure they get in their last. Make the arrangements right now. So this will be the good time for all of you to do it. So, well, going back to this, so we are experiencing some showers all day, and then it will be moving out Easter. Hopefully, it won't be as bad. And then then look at this: Monday sunny, Tuesday 83, Wednesday 80, Thursday thunderstorms. This is another system that's just getting ready to move in right now. Get ready to move in, and then when we're going on a weekend of high 82 and low 61, and then Sunday high 81 and low 64. So you're ready to move in right now. So get ready to have some warm, nice temperature moving in. It's supposed to be chilly, but not as chilly. So it would be chill. It'd be nice. It'd be decent for for 2 days. Well, starting tonight and then 2 days right now. So that's even good right there. Let's go back here and look at this. Look at what's going on. Let's go to this radar image. So not a lot going on here, but we have we do have a significant special weather statement. So that is only for penny side sail, indicate some minor damage outdoor is possible. So nothing really going on right now. And let's go look at what's supposed to do this evening. So for tomorrow, not much going on. I mean, at least it's gonna be an isolated tornado, but our main threat is wind, hot wind, and a large hail. So, oh, good, this is gross. So it's for tomorrow for Easter, my uncle's gonna have moderate enhanced risk of severe weather. So, Columbia, Missouri is going to have severe weather. Um, that also, not sure that also includes the more. I don't think it is, but let me look. No, elevators. No, the family reunion is not included. They're in the migration, so they're not going to have that severe weather as Uncle Kent is having, and in parts of Illinois. I think in Nathan Tankersey, a good friend of mine from church, he's okay. He's in a migrational for Easter, so that's really good news for him. So very good, a great guy, great friend of mine. I know him for almost 25 years, so that's really good news for him. So as of this moment, and then we also we got a severe weather statement that that it's just occurred, and it's just going 50. This wind this is a strong thunderstorm, along with 50 miles per hour. Um, that has radar indicated some minor hail damage is possible. So that's so please get into your shelters. Remember, thunder and lightning, they don't play. So as of right now, there is not a lot going on. So I'm going to take a little bit of break, get some other things done while I still can, and I will catch you all here in a little bit. So we have now have a new severe thunderstorm warning, and that's for so this is for Delaware County, Adair County, and Cherokee County. So we have a severe thunderstorm warning that's producing quarter size hail, 660 uh, miles per hour wind. That will expire at 9 o'clock p.m. So this is going to be expired at 9 o'clock p.m. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for your location. And so that's all that line right there. That's all that is starting to build up. I want to go. Let's go check out the velocity. So this is all these nothing but strong winds. It's not showing. It's not producing anything severe at this moment. So that is just. This is just a base. It's just a severe thunderstorm warning. It's not. It's just a simple one, not considerable or distractible. It hasn't been distractible yet, so it's not producing that it could be developed as a tornado. But this is that line right there. That is good going towards all the way up to Oklahoma, Kansas, Twin Oaks, Cloud Creek, close to Cloud Creek at 8:43, and then moving to Arkansas at 9:03. So that being said, it is severe. Hail is very severe. As is at 60%. This one was like reported about 2 minutes ago for 8:13. So there is not much, not as severe. So definitely will keep a close eye on it. So we have 3 active severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. So that so just we just had that one right now, and then we have 2 flash flood warning, and that's in Hawaii. That's all the way into Hawaii. That is a flash flood warning. So this is the so let's go where the flash. So this is all issue a flash flood warning part in there for 2 of their islands. So I guess it must have a bad wave storm or something like that. But so we have getting some lightning alerts that has just occurred now. It has my lightning hasn't detector hasn't gone off yet. So anyway, there's not a lot going on. I can get some other things done. Get some things done. I'm going to leave on the air, and I'll keep you all advised what's happening. So far, there are no tornado watches has been issued. No severe thunderstorm watch has been issued. Except for we have that one severe thunderstorm warning. It's just very just mild, not really producing much. So, but I am planning on going to be on the air for a while. So I'll keep you all advised. All right, so we have a severe weather statement that has just occurred. So this calls a strong thunderstorm along 3 miles northwest Jinx Riverside Airport. This also includes Broken Arrow, Jinx, Tulsa, Mounds, Hectorville, Jinx, Catoosa, Kafura, Preston, Coweta, Tamua, Oneida, Bixby, Glenpool, Lenore, Stone Bluff, Claremore, Liberty, Verdigris, Bags. So this also includes, so please get in your seeking shelters inside the building. Get your pets inside. This is calling for penny-sized hails, winds up to 40 miles per hour. So this is a strong thunderstorm that's moving northeast. So these are the sails are moving in. They're not severe, so that's really good news. This one is moving 30 miles per hour, and this is also producing some severe hail, 30%. And then we're looking at this one that's including. This is also includes a cell. So far there are no tornado watch. We also have another severe a new severe thunderstorm warning has now been issued, and this also includes Benton County, Arkansas, Delaware County, North Otter County. Can't pronounce that. That it's been expanded or extended. That is just moving. With that being said, it's just still weak. The stuff of this hail is just grew a little bit, and now these is about to expired an hour for these county, including and it's also including McDonald County. So that's also for parts of Joplin. So we are now having some thunderstorms that are occurring. So we want to go check out. Hang on, let's see what this one is. I want to see what this one is. That is something that I don't know if that is considered hail. Oh, this is a tornadic. This is this is considered a tornadic. So this could be a tornadic. That could be it. That I am spotting on Shakota. This cell right here. That could be a possible storm that it could be producing a tornado. I've got to keep a close eye on that. So we could see a tornado in Chicago. There is that guy right there. That could be a tornado. So this is this triangle upside down. This is a tornadic that could be producing a tornado. We gotta keep a close eye on that. So let's go check out the velocity. See what that is. That's the wrong one. This no. This high storm velocity. Let's see. Yeah, that might be producing. That might be producing a tornado. We could see a tornado happening in a moment, even though we're not under a severe thunderstorm watch, or severe thunderstorm warning, or tornado watch. That could be producing a tornado. So we definitely have to keep a close eye on that as well. So we could see a possible tornado that could be producing in close to Muskogee County. They already have a severe weather statement, so that is moving 45 miles per hour. So they're not saying as much. So also that is a very interesting system to watch out for. But let's go back. I want to get into two screens. There we go. So this is the velocity right here. Now I'm just looking at that it like may be producing a tornado. It's not doing as much, but I'm checking at it that I'm tracking that system that it could be producing a tornado as of this moment. So we definitely have to keep a close eye on that. Hopefully that it's weakening some. That it's been up there since for 10 minutes. So gotta definitely keep a close eye on that as well. So that being said, I know that is that's very interesting system to watch out for if you are seeing this as of this time. So um, I don't know much to say on that yet as of this moment. So I will like I said, I'll definitely keep a close eye on that as well. So anyway, and then now it's also still seeing some strong thunderstorms. You know, even though they have the drillers going on, they should call off that game. There is, I hear thunder right now. Right now, I'm hoping they'll call that off. As soon as you hear, lightning and thunder, they really don't play. They really don't play. I was just listening to radio of, um, now they have a game going on right now tonight, so they should call off that game as of this moment. So I guess good news. It's just been shifting, except for it's been shifting to east. This is that guy I was talking about. That is that tornado that was moving. Now it's uh, moving east east right now instead of north. I am for right now. It has not been called for a tornado yet. So now this storm is now producing, starting to get stronger. Now it's calling for a 90% of severe hail. So I don't. That being said, it is still not showing because like these thunderstorms have been upgraded to a conservative or destructive as of this moment. So I'm so as of this moment. So that's really good news as of this moment. So I don't know much. So as of right now, but I'm just gonna put it back on the single radar system, and then we also still have that severe weather statement uh, that's supposed to expire in 27 minutes, and we do have that severe thunderstorm warning. This one's getting ready to be expired in 12 minutes, and this one has about 57 minutes to go. And then also we just got now have a new severe thunderstorm warning down south of Oklahoma. This is also includes this will include Gaven County, Seminole County, Panata, Murray, Pawanti County, McLean County. So these are the six, seven, one, two, three, four, three, six, seven counties. This has been issued. This is producing a quarter size hail, 60 miles per hour wind. So get in and get in into your shelters because lightning and thunder they don't play, even though it's not a tornado. So this storm is not producing a tornado yet as of this moment. So it is starting to get the rain is starting to come down. I want to get up and look at that rain and see what that looks like right now. It is raining right now. It is starting to rain. That that is going on right now. So I'm getting some rain approaching. So this lightning is still going on right now. I'm up to so far there's been 25 lightnings been reported. I can go back. I want to go look at that right now and show you how many lightnings have been recorded. So let me go take you to that. So there's that lightning right now. We're now up to 23 lightnings. That will change. Now we're getting ready to be up to 27 lightnings. So there we go. There it is. So there's that lightning. It's been going on right now, as of this moment, and the barometer pressure is falling right now. So it is going down right now. As you can see that arrow right there, it is now 29.84. Humidity is going up. So far the wind is very light, so that's really not good news. But the main thing is, I'm really shocked is there's not have been issued a tornado watch as of this moment, so that's really good news. They say there's a low chance of a tornado, but here's the catch: it is still 66 degrees, so the cold front is supposed to start to move in. I want to go back and look at my forecast and show you what it's supposed to do. So this is right now. It is 65 degrees. So it is supposed to go down. The cold front is supposed to be coming in at midnight. So it would be 59 degrees. So it is not going to get cold as much until Sunday night. So after Sunday night, it's supposed to warm back up, which that could also produce some bad weather, unfortunately. But we need to get through this first. So there's that rainfall that are receiving right now. So right now we're already at the 0.02 inches of rain. This is the first rainfall since about almost 2 weeks that we haven't had a rainfall for a long time. So I want to get this off for a little bit. And see, there's that threat of that tornado line right here, and Barsfield is not included. Osage is not included. Pawnee is not included. So that's part of this is for all this Oklahoma right here is this chunk of Oklahoma right here, including the Panhandle, are not included. And right here, this chunk, all this chunk right here are not included of that of a tornado potential. I want to go back and look at this right here and look at how this is. So this is a storm that is building up. It's been has a chance of producing. So here's that tornadic right here that I am just looking at. This has just been an update about 10 minutes ago. So I want to go back and look at that and see what that's all about. Give me just a moment. I'm not sure if that's going to be weakening it. It doesn't have a chance. So this is the line. So this is the line of that tornado that I am talking about right now. So, but as of this moment, there are no tornado watches has been issued as of this moment. As we do have these line storms are getting ready are moving. So as of right now, I'm going to go check and see what's going on with Tulsa Drillers. they have that game going on right now. Have that game going on right now. Um, so let's. I'm checking on that right now. So far it is still being played as of this moment. Um, I want to go on here and listen to the radio. I'm gonna come back with you guys. I'm gonna and check back with you guys in just a minute. I'll keep you all advised. So we are. I just informed that we are under a severe thunderstorm watch. Get ready to hear that call. So get ready to hear it in just a little bit. So we are now under a severe thunderstorm watch. Not a tornado watch, but a severe thunderstorm watch. So what does that mean? It doesn't mean that we're not gonna have not having not having a tornado. It doesn't mean we're safe from having a tornado. It's just a watch. So tornado watch, severe thunderstorm watch, and tornado warning is all different. And severe thunderstorm warning is all different. We can still have a tornado warning over a severe thunderstorm watch. So we are I just now found out that he just issued a new severe thunderstorm warning, and this time it's in Michigan. So that's a little bit ways out of here. So there's that severe thunderstorm warning up there. But as of this moment, we are we are still going to have some severe weather update. So we are getting ready to hear the call. I'm surprised the game has not been called off yet or on delay. So this severe thunderstorm watch will go in until 3 o'clock a.m. So we are now under a severe thunderstorm warning. So 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 that's where the Tulsa Drillers is up in north, and they're not having any storms. But I'm surprised they not haven't been called. If it's 10 miles, I mean shit. So we have a severe thunderstorm warning. This one has been it's now been upgraded to considerable, which that's in Missouri. So that's golf ball size hail. That's 40 miles per hour. and then it's starting to pick up. It's picking up its speed. So um, there is, guys, there's like no wind. There's like point two wind miles per hour. Here's the call.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 143, effective until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday. This watch includes the following counties in Oklahoma: Adair, Cherokee, Craig, Creek, Delaware, Haskell, Mays, McIntosh, Muskogee, Okfuskee, Okmulgee, Ottawa, Pittsburgh, Rogers, Sequoia, Tulsa, and Wagoner, and the following counties in Arkansas: Benton, Carroll, Crawford, Madison, and Washington, and the following counties in Missouri: Berry and McDonald. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
So that was the severe thunderstorm watch that has been issued for Green Country, parts of Green Country, including Tulsa County, Creek County, Okmulgee, Widener, and Muskogee, and Rogers County, in those Green Countries area. So after doing that alarm, that statement, so I just find out that I received hail threat in my area. So there is possible I could be getting possible hail. So if you're hearing this in Broken Arrow or Tulsa, you might be getting some hail coming in your in it could be heading your way as of this moment. So as of right now, we do have strong winds are get ready to occur. I don't know if that will be producing. Uh, the wind threat is very seriously. I could be getting some wind. Right now, I am not getting any wind, which that's really not good. I want to go over. I want to go show you what I'm talking about. Uh, this was about a minute ago, so I'm gonna refresh this. Um, I want to go check out. Um, so I just got alert that there's thunderstorms are near. Excuse me, I got the hiccups. That is are near. I am just looking at it right now. So this is the wind right now. I'm not. I'm just that I'm receiving. It's not that much. So I am. I'm not sure if I'll be picking that up really soon. So that this is that storm that is still going on. There's that severe thunderstorm watch has not been issued. So the blue one is represents severe thunderstorm watch. The bright green will be tornado watch, and the dark green is flood watch. This is like when I was a kid. Those kind of color. Then those yellow will be the tornado. Yellow mean be severe thunderstorm, and the red will be is considered a tornado warning. So keep that in mind. So well, right now we are now up to if I could just look at it right now, uh, so we are now up to 74 lightnings have been counted as of this moment. So that is getting really interesting. So it's been going on about an hour ago. If you could just look at it, what it's been doing, I could just go down here. This is the lightning that has been occurring, has been going on from a distance. So it has been near. Lightning's been near about. Um, the first strike was at 14. That was the first lightning. So that is going to be that's really interesting as of this moment. But yeah, but that so my dad just messaged me and says it's been rain. It has been heavy raining. Um, Wouldn't surprise if there's streets flooding. And that being said, like I said, there was been some hail, um, hail that I've received threats of as of this moment. So I want to just go back to the radar and um, look at this image. So that image right here that we had a tornado, a potential tornado, it's been weakened. So now it's been downgraded to just strong winds. So that's really good news at this moment. I want to go over here. So this is been produced has been upgraded a little bit and is now ping pong sized hail. So that's really could be producing some and it's moving 60 miles per hour wind, and it's starting to not do as much. So that's that's a plus, by the way. Um, so these are moving a little bit rapidly, and like I said, we have a severe thunderstorm watch until 3 o'clock a.m. What that means if we have that means we shall have storms that could be moving overnight right now until 3 o'clock a.m. I want to play this, so let's play this. What the storm is doing, so it's shifting north east from us. So not real lot going on right now as of this moment. So the first wave is pretty much moved out of its way. But the good news is that severe thunderstorm that was canceled, and then the other one was allowed to expire. Expired. So it's just now a weather statement, and we have this severe thunderstorm warning that is still in play. So this we've been tracking this. So that's not doing as much, except for we have that ping pong size hail as it is going on right now. Well, in the meantime, let's go back. I want to go back and look at my weather station that's been going on for Broken Arrow. So far we only have 0.18 inches of rain for this occurring event. So that's been going about 2 minutes. That was the last rainfall, and it's still going on right now. It's starting to calm down for right now. So that's really good news as it is as of this moment. So, but right now, I'm gonna keep it on. I'm gonna keep you all advised, and if anything happens, I will jump back on there here a little bit. I'm looking at go look at the weather outside, weather on my window, and maybe go outside for a little bit and check it out. I'll keep you all advised. see, we have another severe weather statement that has been issued. And there we go. We have a tornado watch has been issued. For south of Oklahoma and parts of Texas. This also includes Lawton, Ardmore. So we have about this is now included. We have a brand new tornado watch that's just now been issued. So we have another one that has been issued. So they're filling it up right now. And the good news is it's not a PDS tornado watch. That means we're talking about big threats of EF2, EF3, EF5. So that's really good news as of this moment. So since we're under a tornado watch, we have to watch out for this severe thunderstorm warning. So I am just a little bit curious about that. So this is that we want to go to the Oklahoma City radar. So this is that line that we could see that tornado could be developed suddenly. So we want to check out on that right now as of this moment. So there is that threat that's going on right now for Starford. As of right now, this is the hail probability. So this is like moving up. Get ready to be moving up to Kanoa. So you got about 8:31, 9:31, if I should say. So 10 minutes, and it'll be coming to. So we have heavy rain now moving in. So it is starting to pick up right now. Let's go look at that heavy rain on my weather station. So it is getting ready to pick up. Get ready to see it. So right now it is just the temperature has dropped down to 60 degrees. So look, so this was about at 8:45 it was 66. Look what it's getting down to, 60 degrees. So it is now dropped down to 60 degrees. So this was about 30 minutes ago, if I should say. When it got down 9 o'clock, it was 62, 9:05. So we have some heavy rain that is going on right now. So heavy rain is going on right now. It will start to pick up here in a little bit. It's going to be going at the 0.43 inches of rain. We are now already up to 151 lightning. That's getting ready to update itself. So we have now to 151 lightning. We're getting some major rainfall. I would be surprised if this would be considered as a flash flood warning. So flash flood warning has been different. Is has changed for this year. There's three types of flash flood warning. Flash flood, four types of flash flood warning. Uh, Flash flood warning, flash flood PDS, and flash flood emergency. Man, it is really pouring down. It is really coming down. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. But I can't see now. It's still the winds is not really dead. It's like point .9. It was really windy earlier. Um, really wind earlier. I don't know what to say on that one, but it's those winds can if we don't have any winds that is not having occurring, so that's really not good for us if we're not going to have any wind. So because right now it is the wind is .7, so we're barely getting any wind as of this moment. And then we're already at the 152 lightning has been counted, and it's 60 degrees, and the rain is at .37. So it is starting to drastically pick up, where the rate is inch point 1 inch .09. So that is so. If you want to go look at my my rainfall, that's my rainfall right now. So there's that lightning that has been occurred for about an hour ago. It is now up to 152. So that's really really something to look at right now. So as of right now, there's that tornado watch. There's a severe thunderstorm watch, and it's all the way up to Missouri. So we have a new severe thunderstorm warning has just been issued. So this is now this is a severe thunderstorm warning that could be producing a tornado. So there's that tornado apostle right here, ping pong size hail. Let's look at this warning. So this is for Seminole, Pinota, Pomote, and Hughes County. Uh, this is the severe thunderstorm warning. This is a this thunderstorm could develop a tornado suddenly. So let's be on alert of that. A tornado watch will expire at 1 o'clock a.m. So it's now been extended, or excuse me, expanded to. So this is not far from. This is a little bit shifting. Could be shifting either to Omogi. This is Omogi, and then Muskogee. So this is that tornado, possible tornado that could be an issue. So it is right there. So please into your safe spot. So be alert. So there's that cell right here. Uh, I'm looking at the Velocity right here, relevant Velocity versus this the basic radar. So this is the velocity of that storm that could be producing tornado possible that could be issued to a tornado warning as of this time. So that's south of that's nearby Ada. That could be moving to Holdenville, Calvin, and Stewart. That could be that might be a tornado could be heading your way, but it has not been issued a tornado warning as of this moment. So this is a severe thunderstorm warning based off a severe thunderstorm warning. We still have that Caserva up in Missouri. So we have that that severe thunderstorm warning, including these four counties, are in it, and then we also had this severe thunderstorm warning will not be expiring in 1 minute for these five counties. So this severe thunderstorm warning will allow to be expired, so that we have this brand new severe thunderstorm warning that is in play right now. That could be moving to this county right here. Well, that's already this county. That could be moving to this county. I know that is Okmulgee, and that is Creek County, and that is Tulsa County. So that is. So we have this one. So there's that severe thunderstorm warning that was allowed to be expired. So that's really good news. So we know that tornado watch has been expanded. That could be expanded to around all the way around here, but I'm not sure yet. But and then maybe all the way around here, all for those counties right here. But for now, so so right now it is now 59 degrees. 59 degrees right now. It is the cold front is starting to move in very very slowly. As of right now, the rainfall has now calmed down. Calmed down once again. So right now we have 0.38 inches of rain. That 0.3 inches of a rain. So that's really good news right there. So anyway, I'm gonna take a break for a little bit. And I'll keep you all advised. So this has now been upgraded to a considerable severe thunderstorm warning. And this is for the following counties. This is for Pinota, Potawatomi, Seminole, and Hughes County. So this has now been upgraded to a considerable severe thunderstorm warning. The good news is not showing possible a tornado, which that's really good news. But it is still shows tornadoes could develop suddenly from a severe thunderstorm. So that means this is still not safe for having a tornado, but this is the tornado watch. That means it means it's in favorable condition. So this is about 37 minutes to go before this severe thunderstorm warning will be allowed to expired. So we're talking about like high winds, some lime size hail. We're talking about the fruit lime size hail. So that's also a considerable. So we have 5 severe thunderstorm warnings, 4 on like base severe thunderstorm warnings, except for that this guy right here is a considerable. But I'm still my main concern is that we haven't had much winds that has been occurring. So it is now point zero. No winds. There's no notches. It's just moving as of this moment. So we also just had another severe thunderstorm warning has been issued, and this time it's in this county right here, Arkansas. So that is not much. It's showing 0.75 inches of severe thunderstorm warning. So I want to see what that's supposed to do. But I'm probably going to try to wrap it up. And then we have another severe thunderstorm warning has been issued, and this time it's for Delaware County and Ada County, and Bentonville again, Benton County. So 7 severe thunderstorm warning. This one is still a considerable right here as of this moment. Hail is very high, but it's still showing Limeside 2 inches, 60 miles per hour wind. So it is expected to move out. So the tornado threat is very low. Migrational wind threats and hail threat are possible. So there is a isolated tornado, including the weather channel. So we're mainly in a possible of severe weather. So hope I get some new technology in the future. So I'm getting ready to probably wrap it up pretty soon, if this is not going to be as much. So we have now 8 severe thunderstorm. This one is in Missouri, and this is firing it up too. And after tonight, well, I'll catch you all tomorrow morning, and I will see you in the next video. Good night.